money.
I'm now poor again. That's my paycheck. Going towards a car that might not even work.
Yeah. Do you want to test it works first before we actually buy it?
Maybe just a little bit. We've still got half an hour worth of walk as well.
Oh yeah. So we're parking this car at our mate's house and then walking a mile and what was it?
1.7 miles.
Yeah, just over a mile and a half, sorry. To get the car, drive it back to where we're working on it, and then somehow we've got to come get this car again. It's probably about 5 miles away.
Know what we can do though, because our transport is taking his dog to the vets.
Yeah, hopefully he'll show up, but he might not.
If not, I might see if Kieran's mum can take us. Jenny, could you come pick us up?
Yeah, it's like, yeah, so there's a car outside your house. Can you take us to it?
It's not as though I could pay for a taxi.
No, not anymore.
No, not anymore. So yeah,
Alright.
today's the day where we finally make the bad decision.
Oh dear. Stop for a drink because it's a hot day and also he's got something to eat.
Breakfast.
Yeah, really. Our garage.
We haven't even done half a mile and I want to die.
Yeah. Wow. What am I doing with that? Fine. I guess we'll see you whenever we next decide to film, either when we're there or...
We're now living... Oh! National speed limit!
Yeah, there's a car coming, dipshit. And this is what happens when you decide you want to try and run 60 miles an hour.
That was barely 10.
Yeah, car behind you. I know, it was probably barely 5. Nearly here.
Oh. Give me some warning one. Never mind.
No, what'd you say?
We've only stopped for one break. I think that's pretty good.
Yeah. However, that break was about 2 minutes in.
Yeah, we weren't very confident.
Wanted a drink, so we got one. Your arm's about to fall off, isn't it?
Yeah. But I tell you what, balancing out my wanking hand.
Coming now.
We made it!
Nearly. It's down the... This is the road we're always talking about in the first like 30 seconds of video.
Why is mine in that it's so uneven?
This is why.
I think it's a trap for the health and safety people.
Well, you hope they fall down a pit before they get here.
Oh, I think it's always been a trap for health and safety.
Yeah.
Shockingly.
Right, trying to fill up the Beamer without
Just had an
funnel.
idea.
What?
But it involves your Lucozade bottle.
Alright, give me a minute, I'll finish it. Really? Chug, 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 chug.
Genuinely impressive.
Pardon you.
Wonderful. We don't want Lucozade in the fuel tank.
Yep.
This is so ghetto.
This is not going to work. I can't see anything now. I have to watch through the camera. This is suddenly getting really cold.
Stop.
Why are you telling me to stop?
Wait, hold it there. High pressure environment, I know.
It's just, I'm reaching over. You having to hold in the valve?
Yeah. It worked.
It might be better if I stand on the other side. So...
Alright, go on then. Don't knock over me, Jerry.
Oh, there goes all my plants. How much of that did you spill?
A little bit.
Right, hold that a second. I need to switch hands.
No, I need an extension on that.
You watch you drop it into the...
Don't say that. Whoa. Okay, so stop recording. You're going to need to use both hands.
Okay, film it. Tell me where.
Holding the battery button.
Now. Come on.
Yeah, the key and well. There we go.
Cool. Alright. Good.
Pat my toes away, would you?
Okay.
I'll go do business.
Okay, you got it. Yeah, so we just bought it.
Something just happened.
Bad things. Yeah, you nearly just showed the reg on camera.
What?
You nearly just showed the reg on camera. Okay, we're driving, yeah?
I'm driving it. You're just along
Yeah.
for the deathly ride.
It's not. That wheel is the front left.
At least it's not a driven wheel.
Yeah,
Ooh.
it is rear wheel drive. I've heard healthier sounding cars, if I'm being
I've
honest.
taxed worse. Throttle's a bit stiff.
I did notice that, yeah.
What have I done?
That was a mistake.
Seats are comfortable though.
It's a BMW. What do you expect? Oh! Do you do you risk fourth?
Do I risk stopping at any junction?
No. Alright, we'll stop filming here because I'm terrified.
It's a phone, Anna. Oh, you're recording, aren't you?
Yeah.
What? Side down, you daft cunt. I would have looked at your number plate, but I don't have a wing mirror. Oh. Get used to this. If I had earplugs and no brain. Should have put the foot down.
Go on. Literally no difference. I wouldn't push it too hard.
Whenever I see a car, I'm going to put on the hazards.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's probably wise, isn't it?
maybe. Alright.
Doesn't this come up at the top of this place?
The top of the what place?
Your place?
Yeah. It's where we want.
Yeah.
Ah.
ABS, down. Just show them my Christmas tree.
Yeah, I was gonna say the dashboard is a Christmas tree.
We're back in the safe car.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah, we're gonna go take this back to the other car. Just needed to collect it.
You almost said your street, didn't you?
To what?
You almost said where you lived.
No.
So I would have done.
No, I didn't. I said I was nearly gonna call the car by what you keep calling it.
Adolf.
Yeah.
Well, what else am I going to call it? Mengele? Heinrich? Himmler? Goering? All the good German names. They're
Yeah.
ruined.
Right.
Common misconceptions.
Right. Okay. We'll see you back at the other car. Right, so we found something with the interior of the car that requires a gas mask, because oh my god, that's disgusting. That is mould.
I can't see anything, my oh my god. How do I sound?
Exactly how you said.
I feel I sound like a Dalek.
Yeah.
Exterminate.
Because it's that colour, it looks like you're just a skull with a gas mask welded onto it.
Are you my mummy?
I was wondering how long it would take you to say that.
Still freaks me the fuck out.
Yeah.
Oh, whenever I breathe in, it makes my eyes cold. I have to close my eyes when I breathe in. They're like a mix of Dalek and Darth Vader. Alright. Bring me the bucket! What crest was it?
Josh,
Yeah.
why?
Hey, Callum.
What?
Beautiful. Right. So what we doing?
Cleaning the car. I don't know if you can even hear me.
Turn it off and say.
Cleaning the car.
Yeah. We forgot to film, so we're making up for it now.
It's a very high-tech operation we've got. Callum, it looks like you're pissing with a hose. Don't. Anyway, so the cleaning method is fill up the bucket and throw it over it.
No, not anymore. We're going to clean it again.
That was fun. I accidentally just put my finger over the camera. So yeah, we would have shown you the whole thing, but we both forgot to film. Gonna be honest. Alright, catch you. You just sprayed me!
Here we go.
Looking much better.
What?
Talking to the camera, you dopey twat. They won't be able to identify it. It doesn't even have a number on it. Do you really want to try that? That was recorded! Again. Working?
Yeah, now it is. Alright, recording again.
That's the most.
Yeah. Down in the street. What?
This is Indie Street.
Yeah. It's not, but sure. That's the end of this episode, I guess. See you next week. Sorry, I just raced the car down the street.
I won.
With?